It is ThredUp Thursday, and I love opening fun boxes. Today's is a fun box, and I used to take the fun box a little for granted because I would get it all the time and get free shipping. But now that they're attacking on that $9.99 shipping charge on the rescue boxes, the price, it's too high for me. I can't spend that much on a fun box because they're either great or they're not. So this is one that I ordered prior to the shipping increase, and I think I'm only going to order them if I have like ThredUp credit. This one came to us from Swanee, Georgia, and I'm not sure exactly when I ordered this one, so we'll see if the receipt is inside. Here we are. Yay. We are going to get opening. So it makes it even more fun that I don't do them all of the time. They're one of my favorite boxes from ThredUp, if not my very favorite. So hopefully this is a good one. And if you enjoy unboxings and reselling content and you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. I would love it. And if you think this video is good, which I don't know, I guess we don't know yet, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, we do have a receipt. The rescue box, the fun box, 10 miscellaneous items, and it is $34. I ordered this one on May 1st. And I will say the way that I store my boxes is kind of on a high shelf, and I just stack them as I get them. So I think the ones that are like on the bottom, which are the hardest ones for me to get to, because I usually pull off the top, are probably the oldest. So this is probably one of the newer ones that I've got. I may have to like reorganize my space so that I'm opening the older ones first. There is the tissue. I'm gonna rip this open and I am going to give you guys a first look and see. I'm already laughing at one of the items. Okay, and see what we've got. I love fun boxes that have a good variety of items. I don't want all sleepwear. I don't want all socks. I want like a bunch of different stuff. So right off the top, we have this pair of Lindsay Phillips shoe embellishments is what I call them, because they have all different, I don't know, like accessories to go with their shoes. So you buy like one type of shoe and then you can add these different things to make them look different. I have 2 of these already that I have bundled in my closet, so I'm going to add this to make it a bigger bundle. But these are really pretty. I think those are cool. Okay, we've got a little baggie with some things in it, so looks like maybe some sort of fashion jewelry. Okay, I think we've got two items in here. So this one is still in its little wrap. It looks like a leather or probably faux leather cuff bracelet, and it is engraved. Let's see. C, so that's good. I'm a C. K, A, I think. I don't know if y'all can see that because of the light. So this is engraved. I don't see any sort of branding or anything on it, but I think that's pretty cool. I mean, I don't know who's going to buy specific initials like that, but it's a nice piece. All right, next we have a little set, an earring and necklace set, flowers. It says it's by Sophia Collection. So typically when I get something that's like fashion jewelry like this and it's new, I will save this for like a gift with purchase to pass along to one of my posh customers. Okay, let me give you another look. Looks like we got some good stuff. I feel like I recognize this print right away. I mean, could this be a Lilly bag? I mean, it looks like it. Let's see. So it's got a little bamboo clasp. I don't see any markings on the outside right off the bat that say Lilly. So maybe it's a faker. I think it's a faker, you guys. I don't see any sort of identifying mark that would say this is a Lilly bag, and you know that Lilly wants her bags marked. There is a tag deep on the inside, so I will try to look at that real quickly. See if I can, oh no, I can't even, I can't even see it. It's way down in there. I may have to like get a flashlight and see if I can read like the RN number and see who made this bag. But it is really cute. Obviously, looks like Lilly. It seems like it's new without tags, and it's got a gold crossbody strap. Okay, I mean, I wish it was Lilly. That would be better, but not mad about it. All right, next. We have a pair of slippers, a white, like faux fur slipper. There is a tag on these, so they are new with tags. And this says the Willow Collective. It's got a little heart tag, 50% polyester and 50% PVC, and they are out of New York. Not familiar with that. The bottoms very much look like a flip-flop to me, so I'm not sure how much those are going to go for. Okay, next we have a pair of socks. These say Vibe Swiftwick. Do what moves you. It says these are compression, blister-free, and moisture wicking. Cool. They're ankle socks. There is a price on the back here that says $13.99. So I will have to look these up. Sometimes I list the socks and sometimes I don't. Okay, so we have a second pair of socks. And these say Darn Tough Vermont. Made in Vermont, guaranteed for life, merino wool. And they're blue with these little flowers on them. There is not a price on the back of these, so I will have to look these up. I do have some socks that I've gotten in these boxes that have sold really well, so you never know. All right, next up we have a bra, which is pretty common to get in these boxes. All right, this is good. So we have a tag. It says Soma, and this is a full coverage bra, size 38C. It was originally $54, and it was on sale for $19.99. So that's awesome. I'll give y'all another little peek. We've already gone through half the box, probably more than half. Oops, sorry. Moved you guys. Got a silky something. Maybe it's a nightgown, dress. I don't know. Let's see. All right, we've got some straps. I'm guessing this is like a slip or a nightgown. Little ruffled edge along the top with a pink bow. And it does have tags on it. It's from Kohl's, and this is the Simply Vera Wang. It does say intimates. I was gonna see if it said if it was a slip or if it's a sleepwear, and it's called the Secret Garden, and it's in a size large. So Simply Vera doesn't resell for that much, but it is new with tags, and I think it's totally adorable. It's got this kind of cool, almost ombre or tie-dyed edge with the purple. So I like that. I will definitely list that. Okay, looks like we've got 2 items left. This was taking up large space in the box. Looks like is this a poncho or a scarf? If you watch the scarf box collab, you would think that I would be a pro at the scarves by now with all the scarves I opened. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is a very large wrap. It's a little fuzzy. It's got kind of a python or snake print, but in really pretty greens, blues, and purples. This one is marked. I saw it somewhere. I'll find it, guys. Don't worry. Oh no, it is like a poncho. Okay, hold on. It's like one of these pieces that you put like, here, I'll put it on for you. Let me find the tag first. Oh my goodness, where did it go? I saw it for sure. I know it's here. Here it is. Okay, it says made in Europe, so that's maybe a good sign. Brussels, Belgium. So this is by Duffy. So I think that is awesome. Okay, and this, I'm gonna get so hot putting this on, but I'll show you guys how it goes. There we go, like that. Luckily we just have one more item left, or else I'll be sweating in this thing. Okay, last item. Looks like we have a little box. Looks like it says Millie on the top, if I'm not mistaken. But it's got an animal print. You can see a little signature there. So let's unzip and see. Is it a jewelry case? Is it like a pill case? I don't know. Oh, look. It's a little jewelry case. And it does say Millie right there. You can pull the mirror down. And there's a place to house some items there. And then rings, earrings, and things like that. This is in really great shape, so I think that's awesome. Doesn't look like anyone ever used this, although it doesn't still have the tags on it. So I can list this new without tags. All right, so we have the jewelry case, which is great. I'm definitely listing that. We have the sleepwear, the Intimates by Simply Vera. I'm gonna list that. The bra. I should be counting these, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Socks, 5, 6. The slippers that I'm gonna have to research for 7. The fake Lilly bag for 8. The Lindsay Phillips shoe embellishments for 9. This little pouch, usually if it's in a pouch, they'll count this as 1. And then I don't know if I already counted this or not. So I don't even know how many items we got because I already lost count. Why don't you guys let me know in the comments if you were counting and did a better job than I did. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I think overall this was a pretty decent fun box. I'm excited to do some research on this little wrap that I've got. And then also on that little jewelry case. I think that's cool. And I may just have to keep this for myself because the biggest letter on here is a C. And I'm Christina. So again, thank you for joining me. I will see you on Monday for a rescue box recap and then more unboxings next week. Bye, y'all.